Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, in my last video, someone suggested, not a bot, this person suggested a tutorial on color gradient, and if you are watching this video, thanks for suggesting this. So I'll be making the tutorial now on color gradient, and I will advise you to watch it to the end because I'll be adding a feature in this app that 1 out of 100,000 Flutter developers will not know. Alright, maybe that number is too much, but just watch this video to the end. Okay, and without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so here we have the body and the center property here. So the center property will take the container, and yeah, give it a height of 300 and width of 300 too. Yeah, so we have our decoration. We'll be adding the color gradient inside this decoration. Okay, let's specify the gradient. So we have 3. We'll be looking at it one by one. The first one is the linear gradient, and yeah, let's just add a number of color you want. I'll be adding 3 first. Colors dot red, comma, colors dot blue, comma, and colors dot green. Before saving, let me do this so that I will see it clearly. Alright, and if I save this now, you can see it, the color gradient. So this is mixing 3 colors together. Now we can just see this is the default. If you want to align it, we have the begin, and I can say start from alignment dot, maybe I want to start from the top left and end at dot bottom right. Okay, and if I save this now, you can see it is starting from here and ending here. Can choose another one that, let's see, center left, and here have bottom left, and you can see how this is. So you can choose any of the alignments you want. Also, you can specify how you want it to stop, and this stop value runs between 0.1 to 1. Let's just specify 0.3 for the first one, 0.5 for the second one. I can just use 0.9 for the third one, and if I save this, you can see this is the biggest, this is small, and this is the smallest. And this is just what we have on linear gradient. Let's check the second one. Let me delete this, and let's check out our radial gradient. Okay, and if I save this now, you guessed right, it is circular gradient. Alright, we also have the stops for these two stops, and here you can have your 0.3, 0.9, no, let's say 0.2, 0.5, and 1 here. And if you save this, you can see it how it is moving. Also, don't forget, if you over here, you see most of the features you can add. You can have the center, and have alignment dot center left, and if you check it, you can see it is here. You can just make it like a rising sun because this is looking as if the sun is rising. Alright, and the last one will be sweep gradient. Sweep, yeah, sweep gradient. And if I save this, you can see the color is just 1 2 3. If you want it to be a complete square, you can just add another fourth color. Okay, and here we have a feature we haven't used before, which is the start angle. You can specify the angle you want this to start. Let's say 0.4, and then you have the end angle, let's say 0.9, and if you save this, you can see the angle here. So you can see how this angle is. It's only using the blue color and the red color to form the angle. So you can just specify any angle you want and use it. Also, we have our stops. So let me comment this so that we'll see it. Stops, and can have 0.3, 0.5, 0 and 1 for this, and we can see this here. Alright, so this is all about the gradient. Now for the feature, I said not most Flutter developers know. I'll be adding that now, and the feature is adding color gradient to your app bar. Now you may think it's the same way you add color to your bar, but no. Here you have a widget called flexible space, and that's just all you need to add. And then you have your container. If you take a decoration, and then you have box decoration, which is, so we just add our gradient. I'll be going with linear gradient here, and just add your color, which is colors.yellow, and then colors.green. This is what I'll be using for this, and if I save it, isn't this beautiful? Okay, so this is it. Also, you can have your radial gradient. Let's check out that is. Radial gradient, see that. And finally we have the sweep gradient. And this is it, but I think the linear gradient makes sense the most, so I'm leaving it here. And this is just it about gradients, adding gradients in our app. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, comment below. You can also suggest the type of video you want next, and also share this video to your friends who you think might be interested in Flutter. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next lesson.